yeah. We'll get over here, talk about sunset times because they're shorter than where I left in Texas. Sun's already down. We got Portland headlight out there. And the sunsets are going to get later and later as we head through the next several months. 21st, the winter solstice, a little after 4 in the afternoon. By March 8th, this is when daylight saving time begins. It'll be closer to 7 p.m. That's quite a ways away. We've got a system that we're watching into Friday that's really going to be the big ticket item in the next several days. A little bit of what we think is Virga working through the eastern part of the state. A little front's going to move through tonight. I think tomorrow is it's a great day of weather. Yes, it's going to be cool, but I think we'll catch more sun than clouds throughout the day. And then Friday morning, the rain starts to move in. So if you're going out to work, school, got errands to run, I would have the rain gear handy for sure. On Friday, it will ramp up into the late morning / early afternoon as this front starts to kind of pool the moisture out ahead of it. I think that's when the best rain chances will be. That's also when it's going to be quite windy. Things clear out fairly quickly. There may be some slick spots as temperatures drop to below freezing into Saturday morning. We're expecting about a ½ inch to an inch of rain, so some of that may freeze a little bit. And then into Saturday, a break between systems with another clipper working through and some light snow in play Saturday night into Sunday morning. Still looking at about a ½ inch to an inch of rain with wind gusts isolated up to 60 miles per hour, primarily in the mid-coast in down east Maine. That will introduce a power outage concern. And there will be, again, that possibility of a few slick spots on the roads given the ½ inch to an inch of rain Friday. That means early Saturday morning, there could be some, again, icy areas. ½ inch to an inch for most. There may be a few amounts higher than that in the mountains. I think the bigger story is the wind. That is going to gust up to 50 to 60 miles per hour for a lot of the mid coast to down east. Some of those numbers could get up into the mountains as well on Friday. This front comes through. We get a westerly wind out of that. That wind will also work in favor of drying up a lot of that rain. So I don't think that the freezing stuff with respect to rain freezing overnight is going to be terribly widespread. With all that wind coming in, a gale watch is in effect starting Friday at 1 o'clock in the morning. It'll be there all day long as those winds, again, are going to be pretty strong throughout the day. Cools off Saturday. I think Saturday's probably the nicer of the 2 weekend days. Get a little snow Saturday night into Sunday morning and another chance for snow. I think a more appreciable amount, so maybe several inches into Tuesday, Wednesday. I know that's preceding Christmas Eve and day, so probably a lot of travel, but it looks like a little more snow with that system compared to the one that we're going to get this weekend.
Timing on that one will be important.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Alan, thank you.